Today I'm going to make a painting using these colors, and as usual I'm going to start with black, and I'm going to take this and have it all around the canvas today. Okay, just going to spread it out just a little bit. Because as you can see, I'm going to use quite a lot of different colors today. So it's going to be a lot of it. And now I'm going to use a little bit of gold. And some copper. Now I'm just going to swipe a little bit on the gold and copper. Just a little bit. Just like this. Because I have a bit of cell activator. Just a smidge there. Just a little bit. And trust me, this is going to look awesome in the end. And I'm going to use, and this is a big contrast for the other colors, and that is what's fun with it. And this one is fun. And now it's this. Just wait and see. Now we're going to pour. Okay. See there. So that yes. And now all the way over here. There. And now. Okay. Now we can use the blowtorch to get rid of some air bubbles. And activate some cells. Well, it was fewer cells than I thought, but I do think it is a really nice one as well. Let's see now. Now it's wet. Oh, there I go. I'm curious. What do you think? By using the gold, copper, and green and blue as well. I think it's beautiful. But that is me. But I would love to know what you think. And if you could leave a comment about that, I would be really happy. And of course, if you would like to subscribe and like, that will be even better. And let's see when it's dry. That is going to be interesting. Nice. Hey again. Now it's dry. And what do you think? I think it looks great. And the way that the colors blend. That is my opinion, anyways. And I hope you like it. I truly do. And if you would like to see any other type of color combinations or any other styles, and I am going to show you the other types of paintings that I usually do later on, because I usually paint, not just pour as I do here. And I hope you will find that interesting as well. Well, I hope you like it, and till next time, bye.